shit.
Okay.
Get back.
Look,
You better get control of your old friend here before he gets hurt. I'm showing restraint.
let
go of my son.
I'm not gonna lie. People get all weary when they see a recorder. You know that. That's part of your thing. You realize.
I was just a little disappointed in you, Aguayo, though. You keep trying to solicit.
You, what's going on? What do your eyes decipher me doing? You don't have to read mine. You can read actions. You can read actions. There's a law-abiding citizen standing on public property holding a recording device, exercise.
What happens when ignorance meets arrogance? In today's explosive episode, a man exercising his right to record in public is confronted by a furious business owner and a hot-headed Karen who can't handle being on camera. But when the cops arrive, the tables turn as ID refusal and First Amendment rights come into play. Who's in the wrong? Who gets put in their place? Stay tuned, because the showdown is about to get intense.
I'm taking pictures of you, bud.
Because I'm gonna break this.
Dude, you touch my stuff, I'll up, son.
You're gonna.
I will hurt you.
Come on.
Touch me and my stuff, and you will get hurt.
Listen to me.
I'm gonna tell you that right now. You keep your hands to yourself, old man. Understand that? Understand that?
Don't take pictures of my store.
Understand that?
Now, you want me to punch you?
You punch me, that's your ass, not mine.
You want to try me?
I want to let you know, this is a stand your ground state. You touch me, I will you up.
I know.
Understand that?
Yeah. You're gonna come on.
Touch me.
Come on, man.
Do
come
it.
on.
Do it.
Come on.
Get some, old man.
Come on.
Get it,
punch
old man.
me. Come on, punch me.
Get it, old man.
You want me to break your face?
You ain't breaking shit.
You want to try me?
You better get back, old man, before you hurt yourself.
Yeah. Listen. You motherfucker piece of garbage. How
You end your business.
fuck you?
motherfucker, piece of shit.
Dude, you better get back. Oh, you got back up here?
Fuck
You.
Don't touch me.
Get back.
Don't touch him, we're gonna
You ain't killing shit.
Okay.
Get back.
Look,
You better get control of your old friend here before he gets hurt. I'm showing restraint. Go.
Salam.
Get out of here. Kick rocks. Right there, they're watching it too. They're videoing.
get the out of here, you stupid Atigabo.
Come on, punch me.
Telling you, stay away.
Come on, punch me.
Stay away from me.
Don't touch me.
Call the police, call the police.
They're on the way. I already called them.
Yeah.
They'll be here in a minute.
Call the police.
Crazy nuts. Taking picture all the time from this store and my store.
Okay. What? Is there a fight going on here?
No, not yet.
Okay. Well, we don't want to fight. So what's going on?
Nothing. The guy is standing over this part of my business and taking a picture of everything inside.
Okay. All right. Do you have an ID in, sir?
Yes, in my shop.
Okay. Grab that for me. How you doing today, sir?
Not bad.
Good. So you're taking photos, I gather.
I'm just out getting some video
Okay.
today.
Like I said, there's nothing wrong with that, right?
All right.
You know, nothing wrong with that. Did you have permission to take photos inside the store?
I was never in the store.
You weren't?
No.
Okay.
I was taking video from out here. He come out yelling, no picture.
Okay.
And I was like, whatever, dude, you know?
Okay. In the store.
No.
Okay.
And then he got mad and shut the door, and then he pinned that up, and then this dude showed up over here, and then he claims he's the owner. So he got all hyper aggressive and stuff, and then he took a couple swings at me and just, you know, stiff arm, keep the guy away.
Okay.
Held my camera like this because he threatened to take my camera.
Okay.
The other dude threatened to kill me, and then he took a few swings at me and stuff, and I just, you know, basically stood my ground. You know what I'm saying? You know, in a defensive
Did you ever lay
posture.
hands on him at all?
As far as, no,
No. So you never touched him or anything like that?
no,
Do you have your ID on, sir?
yeah, no, I don't.
I do have to have it because this is an investigation now because there was a physical, that kind of thing going on. So that's why I have to have your ID, okay?
No. Am I
have to have
suspected of a crime?
There is a suspicion of the crime. Until we
Am
figure
I
out what's
suspected
going
of a
on.
crime?
Yes, you are.
Okay, then I'm going to invoke my right to remain silent.
Okay.
I'm going to let you know right now, Everything that just happened was live on YouTube, and I'm live on YouTube right now.
Okay, I don't have a problem with that, sir. Not at all. Like I said, I'm videotaping too, all right? So, but this is an investigation, so I do have to have your
Investigate
ID.
away, but you don't need my ID for that.
I do need your ID.
No, you
buddy.
don't.
This is part of an investigation, sir.
No, you don't. All you have to, if you want my ID, I will give it under threat of duress and arrest. That's it. Because I know for a fact I don't have to give you ID or tell you who I am. I don't have to cooperate with your investigation.
Okay.
I have the right to remain silent. This guy, the other guy in shorts, he took a few swings at me. He attacked me, him and his buddy, and that's that. And I've got it all on video. 3 different cameras.
All right.
So they're the aggressors. The guy in the shorts is the attacker. He attacked me. All right, and I think it's these folks right down here. They watched it and videoed it too, if I remember correctly. It was kind of hard because I'm keeping an eye on 2 guys that are coming at me.
Okay.
While I'm constantly, you know what I mean? Keep your hands to yourself. My hands are full. I can't fight nobody.
Well, I mean, you can understand, and I'm not making excuses for anybody. I'm just saying that, you know, with that being videotaped, like, could you understand?
No, I don't understand, because this is my right to free press, and I don't understand people not liking that. So I don't understand that. I did nothing illegal, did nothing wrong. I'm a tourist here taking video. Him and his buddy attacked me.
Okay. Hey, I'm Sergeant Edwards, Mackinac City Police. How are
Yeah,
you?
nice to meet you.
All right. So I kind of heard what you told my partner.
You're right.
All right. I got both sides of the story, okay? Because there is a complaint that's going on. Okay, we do need to ID everybody that's involved. At least you don't have to give me your ID, that's fine, but I just need your name.
No.
Okay.
I'm going to invoke my right to remain silent. If you want my identification, I'll give it under threat of arrest and duress.
Okay.
And that's it at this point, because I did nothing wrong.
Okay.
I haven't broken the law, and
You
I know.
haven't,
and I know I'm not required to give out ID unless I broke the law.
Okay. All right. Well, and I'll let you think that. But
Okay.
if there, hear me out. But if there is a problem, we do need to start IDing everybody. You see where we're coming from?
No,
right?
I
You
don't,
at all?
because I have the right to be secure in my person's papers and effects and my identity, and I
Okay.
haven't broke the law.
Okay.
I know under the 4th Amendment right now, I don't have to give the ID.
Who is it? These people down here, Liz?
Yeah, I think it was them they watched. Him and his buddy were the aggressors, attacking me. Where'd the guy in shorts go? He was the one swinging on me. Maybe it wasn't them. It's hard to remember. I'd have to go back and look at everything.
You can record. That's fine.
Yeah, I know. Once they pull away, I'll start a new live. I thought for sure if he'd have broke my stuff or got a hold of my stuff, it'd have been on like Donkey Kong.
All right, sir. Here's a complaint number with my name and my sergeant's name on it. Hi. Why you take a picture?
Shalom.
Why you take a picture?
Shalom.
Huh?
Shalom. 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 Hello.
Why?
Hello. Where are you from? Haraka. Haraka. Shalom. Haraka.
Don't take a picture.
Saka. Haraka. Rapata.
Don't take a
Rapata.
picture.
Rapata.
Okay?
Rapata. Rapata. Haraka.
What's this? What's that? Why you take a picture?
Haraka. Haraka. Hek. Hek.
Do you
Repa.
know him?
I don't know.
You don't know them? Why you take a picture?
Why you take a picture?
What do you mean? Get the head out of my property.
It's private property, bro.
It's
No,
a property.
get out. Well, you
Private
take
property.
a picture without permission. Get out. You get out. They call the police.
Why you take a picture?
Don't.
Do you know? You don't know guy?
No, I don't know them.
You don't know them. Get out. Get the head out of here.
Haraka. Haraka.
Get out.
Okay.
Who are you? Huh? Who are you?
Haraka. 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 Sandul. Shalom hala.
I don't understand. What they
Don't
say.
take a picture, okay?
Haraka. Haraka. Rapata. Rapata.
Call the police.
I'll call the police.
Haraka. Haraka. Rapaka. Rapaka. Rapaka.
What is it?
Why are you getting aggressive for, bro? Hey, get the fuck out of here, man.
This is
Harasa. Harasa. Sharka.
when they come. Hey, don't do it! Oh my God!
Haraka. Tay.
Let go of my son.
Yeah, I need the police right now. I need the police right now. I need it.
Broke my phone.
Shut up. Shut up.
I did.
You did?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I speak to you?
Yeah, you can.
Or can I speak to you privately? You can bring your camera if you wish.
Hey, don't take a picture. Don't
Shut
take a
up.
picture of me.
Shut up. Shamata shata. That's in too much trouble already.
No, they're not allowed to.
You are already too much trouble here, motherfucker.
You're in public. You're allowed to.
That is correct. Thank you, officer. That is correct. Right to record.
This wasn't just about recording in public. It was about standing up for your rights against ignorance and intimidation. Today, we saw how knowing the law can turn the tables, even when tempers flare and threats fly. Inspired by the showdown? Make sure to subscribe for more battles for justice and freedom. Stay bold, stay informed, and always record the police. Until next time, remember, knowledge is power. Imagine standing on a public sidewalk, exercising your constitutional rights, only to be confronted by police demanding your ID, without any legal basis. In today's jaw-dropping episode, 2 female officers believe they're above the law and try to intimidate a man who knows his rights. But they're in for a shock when he stands his ground and schools them on the Constitution. Will they back down, or will the showdown end in humiliation? Keep watching to see how the law truly works.
Deputy who? Desir. You know this a one-way?
Okay, I do know.
Why did you, instead of going in the parking lot, why would you break the traffic laws and go down the wrong way on the one-way?
I got a call about.
So that get to tell you to break the traffic laws? Because you got a call? And you blocking the sidewalk. There's a parking lot right there. No, but I want to address your discrepancies that you would hold me accountable for.
I'm here because of I got a call.
So that means you get to break the law. Does that mean that? You didn't answer that question. I don't care what the call is about. You don't get to break the law.
Sorry, sir. What was your name again?
I didn't give it. Why would you need my ID?
Just trying to identify.
Why? Do I have to show you my ID? I mean, if I have to show you my ID, then I will.
It's just to identify yourself. I just want to find out what's going on.
Am I required to show ID?
Yes, I asked.
Because you asked I'm required to show ID?
I'm not really trying to be dramatic.
I know, I understand that, but am I I just want to get that straight because I don't want to break the law. I'm required based on what circumstance?
I just want to address you by your name. What's your name?
No, let's talk about the requirement.
Okay.
Based on what specifications am I required to give you my ID?
I'm trying to identify who you are.
Right.
I want to.
Do you have authority to identify me? I just want, seriously.
I do.
Under what provisions? Committing a crime, about to commit a crime, or in the process of committing a crime.
Right now, I don't have no probable cause.
So, am I required to ID to you? You just said you don't have any probable cause. Am I required to ID? See, words matter, especially to the people who don't know.
Okay.
So I'm asking you, am I required to give you my ID?
No, sir. I'm just
But you said yes.
what's going on. I want to find out what's going on. I just want to have a simple conversation.
Right. But I guarantee you.
I just want to go.
No, wait. I guarantee you, without words, you can honestly see what's going on. You can tell me what's going on without me using words. You see a camera, you see me standing on a public sidewalk, and you see all this stuff that I can photograph. Now, what do you think is going on? Put all that together, what do you think is going on? Do you see a law being broken? Is there a law you need to enforce?
I just want to address you by your name.
Right.
My name, I just want to know your name.
Right. But you're required to give me your name.
All right. So I just spoke to the doctor inside. But what she said, she doesn't. For the patients that's inside the business, don't feel comfortable you videotaping.
Are you a feelings police? Are you the feelings enforcer or a law enforcer?
I don't care what you do. You know what I'm saying? How you do it, but the patients feel.
Are you a feelings enforcer or a law enforcer?
Sir.
Do you enforce feelings or law?
Sir, you understand what I'm saying?
Did you tell him I have every right to do this? Did you? I mean, that'll ease their discomfort if you tell them, hey, he has every right to do this. He's a law-abiding citizen. He's not breaking the law. And my job as a law enforcer is to enforce the law. If there's no law to be enforced, I have no purpose.
Sir, you're absolutely right.
Tell them. No, don't tell me. You're preaching to the choir. You're preaching to the choir right now. Tell them.
On behalf of the patients, they feel uncomfortable. And I'm just, like I said, trying to find a...
They should have stayed home, right? If they feel uncomfortable in public, they should have stayed home. See, I'm not going to bend to the government's will for me to provide them information. I'm not going to do that. I'm not breaking the law. I'm doing something that's constitutionally protected. I'm a journalist. I have the freedom of press. Now, you're giving me 21 questions about something where you see no law being broken. And I don't understand that where the resources are being used at right now. When there's people out there that honestly probably need you. And then I want to address this, man. Come on. If you would have saw me do this, you'll write me a ticket. Especially parking on the sidewalk like this. There's no emergency lights on. There's no legitimate reason for you to be parked in such a manner. Other than you guys are above the law. And she's doing the same. Any particular reason why you guys are parked on the sidewalk? What's your name and your badge number? It's in your policy. Deputy. You're on the scene. Name and badge number. No, I don't know what that's. I can't. I'm visually impaired. But can you enunciate it for me? That's all. Was that so hard?
What's your name?
What's your name and your badge number?
Deputy Jensen, 20241.
Thank you. Your name and your badge number? Thank you. You guys can 10-8. He already determined there's no probable cause, there's no law being broken. You guys can 10-8. Yeah, I know, but you guys can 10-8. There's crime being committed. There's crimes being committed. Are you the feelings enforcer or a law enforcer? Are you a feelings enforcer or a law enforcer? I don't care. I feel uncomfortable with all these people around me with guns. Are you going to do something about that? Are you going to do anything about that? Me being uncomfortable with all you guys with guns around me? No? You're not going to do anything about that? Thornton, can you help me on that? I'm uncomfortable. All you guys got guns. He's willing to do something for them. They're uncomfortable and I have no gun. So can I get something done for me? I'm uncomfortable. Does that matter, Desir? Does my comfortability matter? I'm uncomfortable. I'm uncomfortable. I'm uncomfortable. But I'm uncomfortable with all these people with guns around me. If they're uncomfortable with a camera, how do you think I feel with guns? So you guys can 10-8. Let's make everybody comfortable. You guys can go and I'll be okay.
We have guns. Nobody mentioned about using anything, no guns, no nothing.
Right. So my comfort doesn't matter. My discomfort doesn't matter. But nobody mentioned the crime to you and you're telling me their discomfort. What about, I'm telling you I'm discomfort and you're not caring about that.
Are you uncomfortable again?
Because an agency, well not this particular agency, but a profession that is known to kill people that look like me is standing within arm's distance of me with weapons. So I'm uncomfortable. I'm uncomfortable. Because my life is 6 times more likely to be taken by you guys than anybody else. That makes me very uncomfortable. So you guys can 10-8. There isn't a law being broken. Somebody right now is in trouble. But you guys are here to a public photographer who hasn't been on their property, who hasn't broken one law. Because if I had broken the law, I wouldn't be standing here holding this camera having this discussion with you. Are you guys looking for a crime now?
We investigating. Just trying to figure out what's going on. That's
Again, without me telling you what's going on, what would your eyes decipher me doing?
Listen, I can't read mine right now.
You don't have to read mine. You can read actions. You can read actions. There's a law-abiding citizen standing on public property holding a recording device exercising the First Amendment to the United States Constitution of freedom of press. He's not breaking any laws, and you guys want to know what I'm doing. Where in the Constitution does it tell me that I have to tell you what I'm doing? No, there's the questioning. I told him before you got here, words matter. He told me that I'm required to identify to him as if I don't know Florida statutes 901.151, which I will not identify. Now I'm flat out refusing to. Is that against the law? Is that obstruction? Because in order to ID me, you need probable cause of a crime being committed, about to be committed, or have been committed. In order for me, a Floridian, a taxpaying citizen, to relinquish my Fourth Amendment right to you. Do you have any of that? Is it a yes or no? You want me to answer your questions, but you won't answer mine. Is it yes or no? Do you have any of that? I feel like you answered when you asked me what am I doing.
You asked, I gave.
You didn't know.
We're on the same level right now.
Okay.
So,
why are we still here then? Why are we still here?
At the initial contact with you, I asked you, sir, tell me your name so I can address you by your name.
Good citizen. Good citizen.
Right?
Good citizen.
That's not the name your mom gave me. But
it doesn't matter. I'm not required to give the government my name. This isn't Russia. I don't care about those patients. I don't care. I don't care. Where their feelings start, my rights doesn't end. Where their feelings begin, my rights don't end. Now, I gave you Florida statute. I told you about the Fourth Amendment. You see I'm not breaking the law. Why are you so, why you got, okay, I'm not detained, am I? Am I detained? I'm not detained? Okay, because you guys are half circling me. I don't like that. No, I'm not leaving. I just don't like to be half circled like that. You guys think I'm wasting time and I'm being silly, but I'm not. I'm standing up for the oath I took. That's what should happen to the camera. People should be silly in front of the camera. Don't think people are trying to hurt people. How many cameras did you guys pass by getting here?
More than we can count.
So sometimes I wonder, is it the camera or is it the man with the camera?
Unfortunately today we get a call about it.
I know. I'm not blaming you guys. I'm not blaming you guys. If the job is being done right, I applaud it. But when the job is being done to manipulate, I'm going to push back on it. Right? I'm going to push back. You guys are going to see the video, and I asked him several times, am I required to give you my ID? Him thinking I don't know, said, yeah, I'm required. That's not right. That's not right. I know. Hey, I believe you're a good dip. I believe Tony don't hire nothing but the best. So I need you guys to be that way. I'm gonna tell you who she looks like. Light-skinned Rihanna. You a light-skinned Rihanna.
That's a compliment right there.
Or maybe it's a compliment to Rihanna. 10-8? Told you that 5-10 minutes ago. You too, man. Be safe. Thanks for your professionalism. Hey, Desir, come on, man. But you still ain't tell me why you did this, though, man.
Today's episode was more than just a confrontation. It was a powerful reminder that no one is above the law, not even the police. This man's courage to stand his ground showed us all the importance of knowing our rights and defending them. Inspired by this epic encounter? Don't forget to subscribe for more eye-opening stories that empower citizens and challenge authority. Knowledge is power, and as always, record the police. Until next time. Stay bold and stay informed. When a simple request for public information turns into a heated standoff, you know things are about to get intense. In today's explosive episode, a man calmly stands his ground as a Karen calls the feelings police to try and get him kicked out of a public building. But when the cops show up, things don't go as planned. Watch how knowledge of the law and the First Amendment turns the tables and leaves the officers with no choice but to back down. Who's in the right? Who walks away embarrassed? Stay tuned to find out.
So, do you have a reason to be up here specifically? Or?
Do I need a reason to be up here? Yeah, I actually do, and I let her know that, though. I'm not going to listen. I told her I'm up here to submit a sunshine request.
Sunshine request?
Absolutely. She right here. This is Miss Valerie.
Let me talk to her.
Can I get your name and your badge number?
Last name's Griffin, 1207.
How you doing, Miss Griffin?
Can I talk to her?
Yeah, you can talk to her.
Okay.
Pardon me, excuse me.
Can we go in your office and talk?
Yes.
Is your badge on? I mean, is your body camera on?
It is.
Okay, I appreciate that.
Okay. Are you talking in here?
Look at Miss Val. I mean, nothing but respectful. Look at her.
Can you wait up?
I mean, this is the lobby area. I wait right here. She look like the lady that do the greens, tomatoes, chicken on for Thanksgiving. That little thing, that little singing thing.
I don't know that I've seen that.
Yeah. Absolutely not, Aguayo. Let's get your captain up here, bro. Why do they run the same playbook every day? Why do at least some police do this everywhere they go? We're gonna have to get a captain. We're gonna have to get the chief or captain up here. Aguayo just asked her for her ID, Kansas City, and saying you can trespass him, that they trespassed me from the post office. That's negative. Y'all have no jurisdiction at the post office. That's federal ground. I'm very disappointed in Aguayo. I thought he was about to uphold the Constitution and protected what he took an oath to do. But I just heard that, what he said. And the ladies back here giving a false police report, that's the crime. I got everything recorded. Man. Let's listen, that takes hey y'all, we definitely finna go to the police department and we finna get this body cam footage to see everything that's being said. Because yeah, it's some lies going on back there, and they just listening to her. I've been nothing but respectful to Miss Valerie. And she's finna learn today who I am. She said, I don't even know you're gonna learn today. This office most definitely gonna learn who I am after today. He in here trying to solicit a trespass on public property. Wow. They can pull that off on private property. This is actually a government building. You can't do that. Yeah, they can't turn a constitutional protected activity into a crime. Trying to create something to make me leave. I'm just disappointed, man. Let's see what this guy do. I'm trying to give everybody the opportunity, man. How you doing, sir?
How are you?
Can I get your name and badge number, please?
Schaefer, Captain, 9206.
Appreciate you for being professional. All right. I came here just simply...
Hold on. Let me talk to them first.
Okay, go ahead.
I'll happily talk to you.
Okay.
Fair enough?
Okay, fair enough. They in there just lying. I got everything recorded, though, so
okay,
I had no problem showing you the video.
Okay. Hold on. Let me talk to them, and I'll talk to you.
Go for it. I'm getting everybody body cam for today anyway, so I'm saying it really don't matter where I stand, does it?
No, but I feel like people in my back pocket. But you stand wherever you need to stand.
Okay.
Fair enough?
I like that. I like that. We doing good so far.
All right. Okay.
An issue, you wanted a sunshine law thing?
Sunshine request.
Yes.
You know you got to file that at the department, correct?
I can actually do it here. They will actually submit it to whoever they need to do it for. I can do it.
Valerie said that she completed the form online, so she doesn't have it. So
okay.
She was requesting him to leave, and then obviously we got called.
And to clarify, he didn't actually go into the other offices. He just got a foot in.
I just got 1 foot in, right in their doorway.
We've done this before.
Okay, yes, sir.
I don't want to fight with you.
I don't want to fight with no. I'm just a little. I heard what was said back there, so please forgive me. So, but I heard some. Go ahead. What's the deal?
Public property. You know better than I probably where you can be and cannot be. Correct me if I'm wrong at any time in that statement.
If they wanted me to leave, I just want to do a sunshine and get out of here. I'm not trying to antagonize y'all.
Well, I have a feeling they're going to tell you to fill it out online.
But I can do it in person. There's no standard form. I can do it on a blank piece of paper, hand it to her. She give me a stamp, make a copy. I am gone.
Does she know that she can do that?
She probably don't know that. She don't even know that I can record in there.
That's the point.
I'm here to educate though.
Well, but
so
not every. We're willing to learn from you, but not everybody is that open-minded. Does that make sense?
It do, but that make it.
Hold on, let's do this.
Go ahead.
There you go. I got mine off. Take yours off so I can see. How about that? Because I like CIs. It just makes it's more personable.
Well, what I'm teaching, everything I do is educational. I'm not even wearing my mask today. I'm teaching people there's no expectation.
I would though. It's cold.
There's no expectation of privacy in public. That's the only reason I wear that. Okay. Everything I do is educational. Okay. I'm not trying to antagonize you guys.
I'm not.
I told the lady.
Taking it that way.
Maybe if you hear my voice a little bit, it's because I heard what the lady been saying. I'm like, I gotta record it. Okay. I'm like, wait till Aguayo see the video. He gonna be like, you lied to me. Okay. I was very respectful to the lady because she's like, she's old enough to be my mother. Okay. I said, I'm just trying to do a sunshine and leave. Okay. She did ask me to leave. She said, can you do an appointment? I said, I'm right here. I said, well, if you can't help me now, I just want to take a look, get some of the things on the wall. And that's that. Y'all about to go on lunch break here in a little bit. Okay. So that's about to be her next thing, saying we on break to come back. So does she really want me to come back a whole nother day and do this all over?
No.
Or can we just handle this and do my sunshine?
What do you need to
my sunshine request and I'm gone.
Okay, what are you going to write it on?
I asked her for a blank piece of paper.
What'd she say?
She told me she's not going to give it to me.
Okay, I'll give you a blank piece of paper.
That's all I need, man.
Okay.
That's
you want a blank piece of paper?
And a pen. And I'll write it down, man, and
luckily
I am gone.
We get them free where we work.
And we actually pay for this stuff here, so I'm kind of, she just didn't want me here because I was recording, sir.
Okay, I'm not going to lie. People get all weary when they see a recorder. You know that. That's part of your thing. You realize.
I was just a little disappointed in you, Aguayo, though. You keep trying to solicit these trespasses on public property. You have to commit a crime. Minus no. But I was
in a protected area, which was part of what was being alleged.
I wanted Aguayo to be like, hey, he's exercising his First Amendment right to record and I'm giving this back to you.
Some police department.
If I can keep it, I appreciate it.
Sure, you can keep it.
Yeah, I'm about to go in here and do this. Yes. Can she make a copy of that? Can I get a stamp received that she stamped and received it and get a copy of that, please? And then I'm gone. That's yours and that's his that didn't work.
I'll give him the non-working
Okay,
back.
yeah, yes. Let's see if they gave me my stamp, receipt, and copy.
Again, I'm sorry.
I never gave it.
Okay, what's your name? I'm Rod, and you are?
Kansas City Accountability.
Okay, hi Kansas. Do you have a first name though?
Kansas.
Your name is Kansas.
City Accountability,
Kansas
sir.
City Accountability.
If you got a business card on you, I can email you everything.
I would just doesn't matter.
Oh, okay.
Anyway,
I would have gave you that. I just never do it when I'm working.
That's fine. That's fine. So, you see, when you ask me, I'm happily give you my name. Anyway, with that being said, the information has been filed. She said she will work on it, and probably 10 to 15 business days, you should have something to reply. Right.
Could she stamp that she received it and give me a copy, or just sign it and give me a copy, please?
I'm giving you the verbal that I gave.
Okay, I mean, that works just, that should suffice.
So
okay.
I handed it to her personally. Okay. She put it right next to all her paperwork, and she said, if we don't have anything else,
all right,
we could be done for the day.
All right, yes, sir.
Hold on, I'm trying to see if I look good on the video. Because I can look for being old.
You actually look, you said you look.
I'm pretty old.
You look young.
I've been doing this job 37 years.
What?
Yeah. Probably longer than you've been alive.
How long you said?
33 years.
I know. I'm older than that.
Okay. Well, good for you. You look good
you look good for your age, man. I really mean that, though. Okay. I was just going to hang around, probably leave when you guys leave. I just don't want to give them.
I'm going to talk to her.
That you ran me off. I'm going to leave when you leave.
All right, fantastic. Who you got?
I'm just glad everything got worked out. So, you know, that's what's up. But I'm finna get the body cam footage. I can't really make out what was said. I just rather, in a situation like that, Aguayo come in and just say, hey, instead of telling her, hey, we trespassed him, we run into him, he's a nuisance, he attacked. Hey, he's just exercising his First Amendment right. He has every right to be here. As long as he's not going nowhere that's restricted or stopping you guys from doing your work, there's really nothing we can do. Instead of realizing there's nothing he can do and say, hey, well, do you want to trespass? and then come out here and try to get my ID and try to get me for views and not. Come on, like y'all running the same playbook, and I'm like, I want y'all to do good. I understand that she don't understand, and we need you guys to come in because it means something when you say it. When you come in here and say, hey, he has every right to do that, that means way more than me saying I have every right to do so. They don't believe me, so I need you guys. So yes, and I appreciate you. So yeah. Yes.
So I'm gonna do something. This is crazy, but go with me because this is about being proactive. Where you going next?
The police department. I told you that.
Oh, okay. No,
I gotta go talk to Nina.
I missed that part.
I gotta go talk to Nina.
Go talk to Nina.
Oh yeah.
All right, fantastic.
Because I heard some stuff
Stay warm.
yeah. And you said you don't have a business card?
No, I totally have a business card somewhere.
Do you mind writing it down for me though?
No, but I'll hand it to you.
Okay.
I'll give you my business card.
Okay.
I get them free where I work, kind of like that pen I gave you. Remember?
Yeah. You know, I pay for it, so.
So do I. I pay taxes.
You double dipping.
Yup, a little bit.
Hey, this is kind of, look at this. This is, look, can't see if we see, you can feel it. I like that. Hey, I got to show other people this. Y'all got to step your cars up. Hey, y'all have a blessed day, man, and stay safe out there. Yes, I appreciate you.
Today's episode wasn't just about a man asking for public records. It was about standing up for your rights against ignorance and intimidation. We saw how one man's calm demeanor and knowledge of the law exposed the lies and forced accountability. Inspired by the showdown? Make sure to subscribe for more stories of justice and courage. Remember, knowledge is power. And as always, record the police. Until next time, stay bold and stay informed.